Installing the battery in your InfraMarker 1128 reader is quick and easy. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Remove the grip. First, locate the switch on the back of the reader, push it up, then slide the grip back to remove it. Step 2. Access the battery compartment. Next, lift the lid by pressing the push tab at the top. This will expose the battery compartment. Step 3. Insert the battery. Take the battery out of the box. Align the battery contacts with the reader's contacts, ensuring it lays flat in the compartment. Step 4. Secure the cover. Now insert the two prongs of the cover into the corresponding holes. Snap the cover into place until you hear a click. Step 5. Reattach the pistol grip. Slide the grip back into place until it locks securely. Step 6. Confirm installation. To confirm the battery is installed correctly, pull the trigger. A beep and flashing blue light indicate successful installation, and that's it. Your InfraMarker 1128 reader is now powered up and ready to go.